So YouTube, welcome back to another video, another Acura Integra video. So yesterday my car decided to overheat, and seems like it's coming from the thermostat, most likely. So right now, pretty much it looks empty. This one looks empty. Well, still full. Yeah, it was all smoking. It was overheating. So I'm assuming it's a thermostat, and I'm about to drain the coolant right now. Alright, bet. So 2 bolts later, well, 3 actually, get more space. This is the 3rd one. That's the, I believe, like the ground or something like that. But yeah, so 2 bolts right there and right there. Can find out that this is probably the issue for that overheating. Just look at that. That's nasty. So I just might as well replace or clean this up. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll probably just clean it up a little bit better, or a lot better. Look at that. Nasty. And most likely replace this sensor and go from there. All right, bet. $100 later, well, about $100 later. Hoses rusty inside, like corroded, so I bought new ones. This one ugly, bought a new one. Here's the part number. It's similar, but not the same, but it's similar. Right here is more curvy than this one. Right here too, but I'll make it fit some way, somehow. So I'm gonna switch out the clamps to these. Same thing with this one. It's a little rusted, but see if I find clamps in the garage, switch them out. Switch. Same thing, it's just a few things that are different. So like inside here, got those 2 little holes, and then this one does not have it. So hopefully that doesn't, like, you know, cause any problems. Look at that. That's just nasty. Thermostat housing, I did clean it out. Did the best I can. Clean it out with the wire brush. So this is the old one. So here's the new one. Similar but different. Original, I believe this is the original one. So this one's like heavier. It got like a thicker spring. This one has like a slimmer spring to it. The difference is the bottom. One is open, one is closed. So hopefully that doesn't make any problems. And then a new thermostat seal. So yeah, I was planning to do the whole thing, like switch that out, cause look at that, it's just nasty. But for now, I'm gonna do the thermostat housing and then put it back together. All right, so far so good. Install the new hose. Not quite yet, because if I put this over there, then it's gonna be in the way. So for now, put that to the side. Well, for now, I'll put it to the side. New coolant hose. Try to clean it the best I can. So, new thermostat about to go in. Mind you, those two little grooves that you see right there, 1, 2. You see that 1, 2? You basically want to match it up and it will fit. So if it doesn't flush, then you might have to take a look and make sure the two grooves are, flush. And that's how it's supposed to look. Flush all the way. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, cool. So I managed to put everything back together. 2 bolts, the hoses. I did use the same clamps from before. The ground, cleaned it off a little bit. I cleaned the thermostat housing a little bit more. Make sure everything's back together. And now is time to put coolant. I'm gonna put new coolant first, and then I'm gonna use the old coolant. I'm gonna put like a, I don't know, maybe like a napkin in here so I can catch all the debris in there. And yeah, so this type of job, I do recommend that you take out your intake or air box, whatever you have in your car. Take that out, you have more space to work with the thermostat or whatever the case may be in your new coolant fluid in. Pretty much topped off. Letting some air out. If there's any air bubbles. So far so good. Don't mind that. That's from the previous coolant. Oh. You guys heard that? Anyway, it's too much going on right here. It's bothering me, but it is what it is at the moment. So I'm gonna just leave it like that. But yeah, let me check the gauge. It is hot. Alright, so still warming up. Should go up at any time. Alright, I'm back from a test drive, so everything went well. Temperature gauge stayed in place. It didn't go over, so everything is back to normal. I do need to order some like new arms for the front. Basically, the whole front end needs work, so I'm gonna order some parts. And yeah, hopefully this video helps you to do your thermostat in your 1994 to 01 Acura Integra. Hopefully this video helps you a lot, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.